Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Welcome back to the morning show.
Wait, let's start now. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Danelle and this is
David.
And today we're gonna be... What we doing today, David? What are we doing?
Trying German sweets.
Why German snacks? Because Hanno is German and Hanno is sitting behind the camera and he's going to be kind of explaining to us what the sweets are and maybe why they eat them or what they're made of. I don't know. We're going to be trying them and grading them to our liking because many of them we've never tried, and Hanno is going to be telling us a little about them behind the scenes. So the border between Switzerland and Germany is closed. So we live very close to the border, but the border is closed. So we're not allowed, it's not really closed, it's just restricted. So we're not allowed to go to Germany to buy anything. I had to go on a little operation to get these snacks to try for you guys. So my friend Jenny, big up Jenny if you're watching this video, she bought them and we met at the... Check it out here. It's just a small footage, but check it out. Hi guys, I'm taking you on a mission. Do you have the goods? How much was it? Alright, so David, we're going to be grading them, right? So we're going to be grading them from 1 to 10 to our liking. So if you like it very much, you grade a 10. If you don't really like it, a 1 or 0. Yeah, let's get started. Where do you want to start? David has waited for 4 days for this video. I wanted to do the video and he wouldn't let me. He wanted to be in the video for obvious reasons. We have 9 things here, guys. 9 snacks, and we're gonna start. You wanna pick?
With the chips.
With the chips. So the Swiss, we did one with the Swiss. If you haven't seen that video of us trying Swiss snacks, you can check it out here. But we did the Swiss potato chips, and now we're gonna do the German potato chips. It's called chips fresh.
Chips fish.
Okay, chips fresh. And it says Oriental on it, so I guess there are different spices. David, you wanna try? You wanna open it? Okay, that sounds good. Dig in. It's good.
The favorite is paprika chips, so you don't... They're trying always new things, but people stick for paprika chips.
Okay, so we got the Oriental, and Hanno says the paprika is the favorite for German. Alright. What's your grade, David?
You first.
Me? It's chips. It tastes nice. I would say 8. 8.
I didn't like it that much because it really pressed. You felt it a bit, like... So I
It
give
pressed?
it like it pressed. Yes, I don't know. I'd give it a 4.
Okay, 4. Alright, fair enough. Alright, I'm going to pick this one to go next. Why? Because it's gummy bears. It's called Haribo. Haribo in German.
Most famous brand.
And there's one thing we did with gummy bear when I was growing up. And I'm going to try to do it throughout this video, for the rest of the video. We used to take a gummy bear and we do this. Like, anyways, when the video is done, you'll see. Can you feed me, please? Can I get one more? I already know this is at 10. I know this. Gummy bear brings back a lot of memory for me. But here, each gummy bear has a different flavor. So like orange, pineapple, apple. Hanno, did you drink gummy bear as a child? No, did you eat gummy bear as a child?
Yeah, but they changed also over time. They are now with no artificial coloring. Some of them are even vegan. I don't know how they make that, but
Yeah.
they're different.
Okay.
Let's try these.
David, you tried these 2 times already.
Nospa.
Knoppers. Knoppers. Okay.
They're meant to be a breakfast.
Oh.
They replace a breakfast because it's milk in it.
Milk chocolate biscuits.
Ah. Oh, I have some milk. I have some milk, so I guess we dip it. We don't use all of it because
You don't dip it.
no. So that's how it looks. What is it made of? Chocolate, waffles,
No, it's
Milk,
chocolate, waffles,
cream.
and
milk,
Yeah.
dry milk.
dried milk. Ah, I'll take a bite. Sounds good. Take your bite. I like it. I love waffles in general. You, David? What's your score?
8.
8? Because I love waffles, I love milk, chocolate. Milk. I like chocolate, but I'll also give it a 8. Can we do this one? I'm curious. So, Hanno, what do you have for us on this one? Prince and Role, it's called.
Nice on TV, even before we had TV.
How did that work?
At radio. The company exists for almost 70 years. And they in Germany, and they made cookies first, and then they came on the brilliant idea to put chocolate between cookies. And the recipe is similar to an English one, but not quite. It's not quite like the butter cookies from English. It's a German version with a bit less butter.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. Well,
So, like this?
You would not go to school without one.
Cheers. We're gonna dip it. I think we should dip it. Oh, my
You
fingers
eat
are.
it like this because they're nice and crunchy.
Okay, it doesn't fit in the glass anyways. It's a big cookie, we can always. Still crunchy.
Don't try this at home.
I like it. But again, I'm not a big chocolate fan.
Me too.
So
Let me get that effort.
I'm gonna give the Prince Rolle a 5.
Hardcore 3.
Oh, David said he's going to give it a hardcore 3. Hanno, do you want Prince Rolle?
Yeah, with mine. Didn't change much.
Didn't change much.
Almost like many years ago.
But what about it do you guys like? The chocolate inside or?
Chocolate.
People in Europe are just big chocolate fans, huh?
Come back to this.
Alright, which one next, David? No, sorry, I asked you.
I'm kind of looking for these.
What are they called?
Toffee.
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 It's an influence from England because toffees have been coming over from England and people liked it. But sometimes it's a bit itchy. Dentists don't like it.
Because it sticks in your gum.
Sticks in your teeth. Of course, it has chocolate and nuts in it.
Give me a try. Sorry, Hanno.
It has chocolate and nuts in it.
Wow.
Alright, so that's the toffee. Toffee?
Oh yeah, I opened it from
Toffee.
A fee is basically a fairy.
Toffee. Oh. So like a toffee fairy?
Toffee fairy, yeah.
Toffee fairy. David, when we edit a video, I'm going to put 100 years later. David don't open that sitting here. Keep tiny.
Give me a break. Just give me a break.
Guys, I achieved it. Look at that. Can you see it? That's what we did for fun as kids. Kill the gummy.
What a waste of coming there.
I'm gonna eat it now.
Half of it.
Alright,
is
can I
again.
try my tofu?
Don't touch me.
Take yours.
Please do not touch me.
What did you say? You've never had it?
I think I never had one.
What? We're supposed to be German snacks.
No. Just because they are on the news, that doesn't mean, or on the advertisement, doesn't mean that we eat them.
Mm. Alright.
Minus points because they stick in the gum. Minus points because they're chewy,
That is
like
the
bugger gum.
That is
Toffee,
the
toffee is
effect,
true.
Toffee effect.
I love it. Because I love toffee. And in the middle of this one, there's some chocolate, but chocolate not so strong. And then there's a nut. What kind of nut is it? Where is it, David? Hazelnut. And then there's caramel.
Mm.
Is it caramel or is it the same toffee?
It's a toffee.
There's caramel. Brilliant. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I love these. You know, you don't know.
I'm gonna give that it's sticky. A 4. 4 out.
That's harsh. You don't like it? I like it. Okay.
I know a lot of people will not like me for this
Why?
because people love toffee. But yeah.
4.
Next.
I'm tired. Alright, this is a controversial snack. Is it caramel?
Morocco in original.
More Kopfen? Was the original name?
But now they call it, because somebody considered it racist, they call it now Choco Kuss.
Okay.
Chocolate kiss.
That's how you eat a squash gummy. Chocolate kiss.
Choco kiss.
Why does it say super dick mans?
That's the brand. Maybe the upside down. Yeah, but that's your way.
It's
Cheers.
look on the bottom. It says a D. There's a D.
There's a D here. David and Danelle.
DD.
DD. Ready?
It already broke up. That's minus points.
Then one.
3, 2, 1.
I heard that if you do this, it smashes.
That's what the kiss is about.
Man, do good.
Wait,
So-
let me look at.
What's the taste of this? It's a fun snack, I can say.
Yeah. And it's mostly because it's elect.
I don't really like it.
I do.
And the waffle is underneath is a bit soft. It's not something I'm used to.
I'm not used to
Chocolate
having
is
it.
black chocolate, probably 70%.
Because the inside is very sweet. So you have that contrast of chocolate and sweetness. The sweetness is like the
I need to go get
sugar
it.
water
So, I will give it
cotton candy.
a good 8, 9. I would give it a 9.
So we had to clean up really fast. So we don't have many more to go through. We did
Where
this,
did it
right?
go?
We have 3 things to go through. Kiste, this one, and this one. Which one you want to go next, David?
I kind of like Honton.
They're all chocolate.
I want to try Honton.
Okay, so we're gonna try that. Oops, sorry.
They are my personal favorite. That always when I was when they have been on an excursion on a kiosk or something, they have these. Sometimes not so fresh, but most of the time very fresh because they're separately packed. And they're really nice. Waffles, nuts, and chocolate. Finished.
Yeah.
Lots of chocolate.
Ooh, that looks good here, David. I know you're looking a bigger piece in it.
Let me put the same side.
Cheers. Alright. Waffles, I can see me love waffles. Hazelnut bits, schnitte, like bits of hazelnuts and chocolate.
And they're really nice waffles when they're fresh. They're good.
These are fresh. The waffles are fresh. Again, I have to grade it down because of the amount of chocolate that's in it. If you're a chocolate lover, German snacks are for you. If you're not, you're gonna struggle. That's the truth. Because I don't know if you can see this, but the chocolate is thicker than the waffle. I like chocolate, but I like darker chocolate, so not with so much sugar. Yeah. Want one more? What are you grading it, David?
Because of the too much chocolate, it would have downgrades. I have to give it like a 2.
Wow.
Because I really don't like it.
Wow. Hanno, what would you grade it for yourself? As a German person?
For me, they always have been this childhood memories, you know. So it's definitely a 9.
9. And for
They
me...
had more nuts.
Oh, sorry. Huh?
They had more nuts.
They had no... okay. That's good to know. Hanno said they had more nuts back then. I hope you're hearing him. Yeah. Alright, for me, I'm going to give it... I love waffles. Don't love the chocolate. I love the hazelnuts. So I love to eat nuts in like peanut butter in anything. So because of that, it's hard. 7? 7 is high. I think 5. 5 for this one. Kiste, Butterkiste, butter biscuit.
That's basically the one with the chocolate in between, the Prinzrolle, without the chocolate.
Okay. So this is this without chocolate.
But also more butter, so it has a very nice taste. They come very close to the English butter cookies from the taste, but more dry.
So if you're English, American, you're moving over and the brands confuse you a bit, this is a good one, very close to the English. What?
But the butter cookies you get there as well.
The Walker's one, the Scottish one.
The Walker's one,
Yeah.
you get them.
But they're expensive.
Yeah.
This is cheap.
They still count the British pound for 10 euros or something.
Okay, here David. Cheers. Wait, let's give Hanno his.
That's also what we give babies.
Sorry.
To chew on.
Ah, okay.
And they have no teeth and they suck on it and it's nice.
Love it. I was going to compare it to the Walker's Scottish butter biscuit, butter cookie. What are they called? Butter cookie?
It matches the taste, but not the texture. Texture is different.
Texture is different. It's like a salted cracker. The texture is like a salted cracker. But the taste is a little bit like that butter cookie, but not so cloying. Oh, so I'm grading this 9. David, what are you grading it? Sorry.
Probably a 8.5.
You don't like it?
I like it, but I give that 8.5 because it like.
But 8.5 is high.
Yes, but it gives me like the taste stays like these. I'm trying to get the
When you
taste
say
out of
yes,
my mouth.
it tastes stays.
It stains.
Stains.
Stains in your mouth.
The last one.
This one we already tried.
Duplo. You like it, Hanno?
Duplo, oh yeah. Duplo,
Chocolate.
it's also chocolate.
Also chocolate. Oh my god, this is horrible for us, David, because we don't really like chocolate. Okay, but let's...
You ruin my clean teeth.
You ruin his clean teeth. Oh, I see the fair trade sign. I like that. Fair trade.
Where?
Here.
No, that's not the fair trade sign.
Oh, that's recycled sign.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. And with hazelnuts. So another thing I realized with the German snacks, chocolate, hazelnuts, waffles, a lot.
Same here.
Did you
It looks
really
like
put-
wood.
Looks like wood. Yeah. Cheers. Oh, it's not bad. It have a buzz.
That's crackers, right?
Crackers.
Waffle. Everything else is brown as well.
It's sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Very much, yeah.
That's a chocolate.
Can I eat some more?
Ruin my beautiful teeth.
Toast. Toast, guys, we've just come to the end of our Trying German Snacks video. Thanks, Hanno, for giving us some information on the German snacks. Hanno is German, so we trust his comments. Thank you, David, for being on the channel with me and for trying these snacks with me. And what are you gonna say? Thanks, Mummy, for what?
Thanks for giving me snacks.
You're welcome. If you're at the end of the video, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for being here, for staying here, for watching the video. Thank you for being a part of the In the Travel life of Danelle. Okay guys, bye. We'll see you next time.
Like and
Oh
subscribe.
yes, I forgot. How could I not? Please guys, share the videos, like the videos, subscribe to the video, and let's grow together. Bye. I know, can you say please like, subscribe and share?
Please like, subscribe, and share.
Wait.